color red. Red apple. Red balloon. Red rose. R-E-D, red. This is the color blue. Blue butterfly. Blue fish. Blue car. B-L-U-E, blue. This is the color yellow. Yellow banana. Yellow duck. E-L-O-W, yellow. This is the color green. Green tree. Green frog. Green leaves. G-R-E-E-N, green. Pink crayon. Let's look at the color pink. A pretty pink flower blooms. This pink ice cream cone twirls. Everything is perfectly pink. Purple crayon. Let's look at the color purple. Grapes. A purple butterfly flutters around. This purple jelly wobbles. Everything is perfectly purple. Hello! I am a happy orange crayon. Watch this juicy orange fruit roll right in. Butterflies flutter in the air. Orange butterflies flutter in the air. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.